Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can create a job application form on WordPress. So let's get right into it. Now, what I'm going to do first is I'm going to go into my pages, and I already have some pages here. For example, as you can see, I have this Java dev page, and I have a main page, which I'm going to go and create. I'm going to add a new page, and I'm going to name it homepage or whatever. And I'm going to show you guys in essence how to create a job application site. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and add, well, just let's say a home page, or actually I'll add a blank page, and let's say this is our home page, and here we're going to add another heading, and we're going to write these are the available jobs, and there we go. And now we're going to add a list, and here we're going to say, for example, Java developer, and now we have our first business. Now what we're going to do is we're going to link this to a new page. I already have the Java dev page available, or rather I don't, as you can see, but there we go. We created a new page, which we're going to go ahead and visit. I'm just going to leave this, and I'm going to edit this page right over here. And as you'll see, I already have some items here, which I'm going to promptly delete. So Shift-Alt-Z should be able to delete everything. And there we go. Now we have a blank page, which we can then go ahead and edit. And what we're going to do is we're going to add a text block, which is going to be a paragraph. I'm going to add it here. And now we're going to write a heading. Just name it after the job. So Java developer. And we're going to add a paragraph, which is this person creates and develops Java programs. And now we can add a button, which we are going to be doing. So buttons, and we're going to add one below, which says apply now. And now that we have this, we're going to go ahead and link it, and we're going to link it to a new page. And let's say Java app for the application. I'm just going to save this page. And now that we have this page, we're going to create a new one. So for example, Java app, just going to create a new one, and then we're going to visit that page, which is going to be empty. Rather, it already has a form. So I'm just going to delete this form and show you how to create a new one. So let's say this, first I need to edit it. So excuse me. But yeah, once we do that, then we're going to create a new form. So just delete that entire block. And now that we've deleted that block, I'm going to add a new one first here, and we're going to create a form. I'm just going to do it like this. So just go form, and we're going to add a form over here, or rather we're not going to add a standard form, because you could, and you can create a contact form that way, but you already do have a contact form already here in the tools. So why not just use that? So we're going to drag it here, and now we have a contact form, and you can edit this to your heart's content. You can add the name, surname, email, phone number, etc. To get those fields, and you can also get a sort of motivational message, which you can use this message field for, and you can also add a button for people to upload their CV or their resumes here as an application, and then once they leave their contact information and their resume, you will then be able to contact them, and they'll be able to apply for the job. And let's say this form is complete, just save the page, and that's all you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.